In ShipConstructor 2020 R1.1, you can schedule database backup and database maintenance from project actions. The feature is available on database menu of the administrator or the right-click menu of project database. When specify a new action, you put in the name, database, description, and action. The schedule can be once-off, daily, or weekly. Sometimes you would specify a parameter as well. On the right-hand side of the scheduler, you can see the next run date, last run date, and last run results. In case of a failure, you can look into the history and try to find out what has happened.